What's up? So today I reviewed the Artist 24 Pro right behind me over here. This is by XP Pen and it's a 24-inch display. That's a lot of display to work with. I don't know if you can see over here, but that's big. It also comes with a 2K resolution to back it up. I think this is going to be really interesting. Let's check it out. Okay, so let's see what's in the box. Spoiler alert, everything you will need to get started with the tablets. We have the power adapter, cool. 2 cables that go with it. I personally got the UK and European version. I'm guessing that will depend on where you order the tablet from. We have the HDMI to HDMI cable for the display to work. We also have a USB-A to USB-C cable. This is for the pen to work. You get another option, which is a USB-C to USB-C cable, again for the pen to work. So whether you are using a PC or a Mac, you got options. Here we have the pen holder. On the top we got, well, you guessed it, the pen with 8192 pen pressure sensitivity. The pen is pretty cool, nice design, comfortable to use with its rubber end, 2 buttons near the tip, and of course you don't have to charge this pen for it to work. On the other side of the pen holder we have 8 nibs that you can use if you ever wear out the one that comes with your pen. You will also be the proud owner of a second pen when getting this tablet. Hopefully you'll never have to use it. Here we have what seems to be a screw and a pen holder that you can attach to the tablet. Personally, I haven't tried that, but it's nice to know that we have that option. Cool. Oh, right, wait, I got more. A cleaning cloth, well, you know, to keep your tablet clean. Let's see, a card for their website where you can download the drivers. A thank you note, well, I didn't buy it, so I guess you're welcome. A warranty card that hopefully we will never have to use, and what seems to be a quick guide for the tablet. Let's not forget the gloves. Can't go without the gloves. Don't know what to say, they're comfortable, slick, they make you look cool, a must-have. No, but seriously, super useful to have when working with tablets. Less stickiness, smoother strokes, just can't go without them. Ah, and of course, the tablet. Nice design, 24-inch screen, 2K resolution, 20 buttons that you can set up shortcuts on, 10 on the right and 10 on the left, and the red thingy that you can turn around to do stuff like scrolling. On the top right you have some sort of a touch surface to power on the tablet, change the brightness and more. As for the stand support of the tablet, it's pretty darn good in my opinion. It goes to extreme angles and anywhere in between. It's pretty sturdy and easy to adjust, I just simply love it. Back here we have the ports where the cables go. One for the power supply, the USB-C one for the pen to work, and of course the HDMI one for the display. We also have what seems to be 2 USB hosts. I guess that's pretty cool. You can charge your phone, connect your mouse. It's basically an extension to your desktop. You get more USB ports and closer to you than your desktop. After connecting the cables, hit the power touch surface on the top right and you are good to go. Once your tablet is on, you can go to XP Pen's website to download the driver so that you can use the tablet. So over here I'm going to go to Product, and on the right I will choose the product I have, so it's Artist 24 Pro. I'll click on it and I'll get to this page. In this page you can get all of the specifications of your tablet, and you can go to driver over here, click on it, and finally you can choose the driver. So if you are a Mac user it's over here, and if you are a Windows user you can download this one. Once you do that, all you have to do is install the driver and you can get started. Once you install the driver, you get something like this. This is basically where you get to play around with all kind of settings, like the pen button settings, the pen pressure sensitivity. You can calibrate the pen to the tablet so that it's more accurate. You can also play around with the display settings, so the brightness, the contrast, and finally you can add shortcuts to all of the buttons of the tablet over here and change how the ring works. To review this tablet, instead of focusing at the specifications, I'd rather give it a real test and tell you how I feel about it, as real life experience beats what's on paper. I sculpted 2 full characters, one that you have already seen in my last video, which was Batman, and a character from the Spider-Verse, which I will release in my next video. Try to guess who it is in the comment section below. Anyways, the first thing I noticed is the big bright display compared to my Huoin 22-inch tablet. It has more brightness, more contrast, and the extra 2 inches definitely shows. In addition to that, the 2K resolution is really nice to have considering how big the display is. It keeps the display sharp, and that is something that artists will appreciate. I'm not really comparing my Huoin 22 with this one for the simple reason that they are not the same generation, but keep in mind that your latest tablet will affect how you feel about the new one. I was used to a certain feel to the screen with my Huoin and a certain pressure sensitivity. When I first sculpted with this XP Pen Artist 24 Pro, honestly, it felt weird. I wasn't able to get the pressure sensitivity that I was used to. This one required a harder pressure on the tablet to get that 100% opacity. In addition to that, the screen felt a bit different, so it was a rough start. Interestingly enough, as I progressed with the Batman character, I slowly started getting used to it. I still have preference to how the pressure sensitivity on my latest tablet is, but it doesn't bother me either. The feel of the screen is actually nice, it has some resistance and doesn't slide for me. In addition to that, the parallax isn't noticeable, only a bit on some tilts. Either way, it won't get in the way of your work. The pen quality is great. Considering I sculpted 2 characters with this tablet, I can tell you it is very comfortable on the hand. As for the buttons and red ring, personally I never used these on tablets. I find it faster and simpler to use my keyboard with my left hand, so not much to say there. It's still nice to have that many customizable buttons, so if you plan to use them, you won't be missing any. As I got to my second character, I was pretty much used to the tablet, and decided to leave it at my studio for now, keeping my Huoin at home on my second PC. All in all, this tablet is great, considering that it is budget friendly, especially if you compare it with Wacom's prices for a similar sized display. I'm not gonna say it's perfect. I think the pressure sensitivity settings can be improved to have a better range on their drivers. In addition to that, I feel a bit uncertain about their choice to use a screen protector instead of a laminated screen. Not sure how it will hold up in the future, if it will get scratched or if it will withstand all of the sculpting that I'll be doing. It is still good to know that you'll be able to replace the screen protector from their website, probably starting in January. But nonetheless, I'll consider this to be a weak point of this tablet for now. Either way, all in all, I do recommend checking this tablet out if you are interested in a 2K 24-inch display. It will not disappoint. I'll add affiliate links down below if you are interested. Let me know in the comment section below which graphics tablet you are currently using and if you are planning to upgrade. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a like, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and of course, hit that notification bell so that you get notified whenever I release a new video. With that said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more awesome character sculpts and art related videos. You can also check out my store for full courses on character sculpting, texturing, materials, brushes, and more. Last but not least, if you enjoyed this video, then you will definitely enjoy the next one.